Sexual assault in New South Wales. Alarmingly low conviction rates, an urgent need for reform. According to a recent report released by the Bureau of Crime Statistics and Research, BOCSAR, only 8% of contemporary child sexual assault incidents reported to the New South Wales, NSW, police result in convictions in court. This disheartening statistic underscores a systemic failure to effectively prosecute sexual assault cases, with even lower conviction rates for historic sexual assault incidents, 7%, and adult sexual assault incidents, 6%. The report raises grave concerns about the persistently low conviction rates for sexual assault, a pattern that has shown no signs of improvement and may have even worsened in recent years. This alarming trend coincides with a dramatic increase in reported sexual assault incidents, further exacerbating the challenges faced by victims seeking justice. BOCSAR's study meticulously tracked the progress of sexual assault cases reported to the police in 2018 through the criminal justice system. Utilizing data from the computerized operational policing system and the state's criminal courts dataset, the study analyzed the attrition, or reduction, of incidents, defendants, and charges throughout the process, from the initial reporting stage to sentencing. The findings reveal that the majority of reported sexual assaults fail to progress beyond the initial police report. A staggering 85% of cases do not proceed to any form of legal action, a consistent trend across adult sexual assaults and both contemporary and historic child sexual assaults. For the small number of matters that do progress to court, challenges persist, the report acknowledges, highlighting court proceedings as the second largest point of attrition. A concerning 2 out of 5 defendants had all charges withdrawn by the prosecution, dismissed due to mental health considerations, or otherwise disposed of. Only 41% of defendants were ultimately convicted of a sexual offense, either through a guilty plea or a verdict. The study emphasizes the stark reality that low conviction rates have been a persistent feature of sexual assault cases within the justice system. It is certainly the case that sexual assault reports far outnumber convictions in NSW, the report states. In 2022 alone, NSW police received 9,138 reports of sexual assault, a staggering number compared to the mere 1,016 convictions. Over the past decade, reported incidents of sexual assault have surged by an alarming 94%. While the number of defendants found guilty has also increased during this period, up by 72%, the magnitude of this increase lags behind the exponential rise in reports. BOCSAR's study acknowledges that the data tells us little about the mechanisms driving this high attrition rate. In nearly 3/4 of all sexual assault reports where no action was taken, police failed to record any reasons for their inaction. Similarly, within the court phase, poor record-keeping practices hinder a comprehensive understanding of the factors contributing to case attrition. The study underscores the urgent need to prioritize efforts on improving the reporting and investigation phases, given the high proportion of cases that fail to progress beyond this point. However, the report's authors caution against the assumption that merely progressing more cases to court will automatically lead to better outcomes for victims. To strengthen cases and ensure successful prosecutions, evidence gathering must be enhanced from the earliest stages of an investigation. As a first step, the report emphasizes the importance of systematically recording detailed information about police and prosecution decisions in cases that fail to progress through the system. This is critical to not only developing a better understanding of the causes of attrition in sexual assault matters, but also to monitor the success, or otherwise, of any changes in policy or practice designed to address this issue, the report concludes.